and I want to change this wig to a wig with bangs. Oh my god, what the heck happened here? And then what the heck happened here? Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for stopping by again. So today I'm going to be doing another hair experiment because I mean, why not? So the experiment is going to be with this wig. This is an old wig I had for quite a while, and I want to change this wig from a center part closure wig to a wig with bangs. Let's go. First things first, I have to part it. 1 second. I kind of want it to start here, so I'm going to part it. It's a wide closure, as you can see, so I'm going to part it starting from here, ending just before where the closure ends. That will work. Rubber band, where's my rubber band? I don't have it. So I made it a little wet, so it will be easier to part. Cut it like this, right? Oh my goodness. Chineke. Hey, wahala, blunts. Wait 1 second. Paco scissors to the rescue. If you do like this. Damn, girl. It's always so ghetto with you. It's always so ghetto. Okay. All right, it's okay. So that wasn't a disaster. That wasn't exactly a disaster. Oh my god. I did it. Oh god. Jesus. This one was what the heck happened here? And then what the heck happened here? Okay, anyway, it should work. Now time to straighten it. This side is looking okay in my eyes. Maybe. But this side is looking bulky and strange. Because it's like in my eyes. So longer is always better than shorter. Better to be safe than sorry. Then it's stabbing my eyes. Okay. Yep, need some trimming. Damn it. What the heck? Can't even see. Going blind. I think this is where we now do those thingies, but I don't have a sharp scissors. Don't mind me, I'm ghetto. The sides, I need to trim the sides a little bit to give it some sort of layers. How I look? It may look a little bit weird because I'm actually sweating because but I am satisfied. I mean, with the crude tools I used, from my Paco scissors to my trusted combs that I've had for centuries, and then my straightener and my brush and my hands, That's it. Tell me what you think. I'm kind of satisfied with the results. I mean, it's exactly what I want. Do I look like Jamila Jamil? Sorry, Tahani. Do I look like Tahani? Do I look like Princess Jasmine? That's basically what I came here to do. It's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button. It really helps me grow and it makes me happy. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.